Hey, I'm Philip, and if you want to start freelance writing but have zero experience, stick around. I'll show you the exact first steps I would take if I had to start from scratch today. Step 1 will be pick one niche. Choose a topic you can learn quickly, for example tech gadgets, fitness, sustainable living, personal finance. One niche keeps you focused and makes pitching easier. Step 2 is to research 3 sample topics. Use Google autocomplete or people also ask to find real questions in your niche. Jot down 3 headline ideas, nothing fancy yet. Step 3 will be to write a 700-word sample. Pick one headline and draft a clear, helpful article in Google Docs. Aim for 700 words. Edit for clarity and you are done. This is your proof piece. After that, step 4, create a one-page portfolio. Open your Notion or Card or Google Drive and add your name and niche tagline, the sample article link, and contact email or LinkedIn link. That's all you need to look professional. Step 5 is to find 20 prospects. It's about 30 minutes. On LinkedIn, search your niche and contact marketing manager or blog editor and copy 20 names, emails into a spreadsheet. These are real people who hire writers. After that, this will take us to the step 6. It's sending a short pitch email. For example, subject, freelance tech writer, quick content idea. In a body, we have only 3 lines, tiny compliment or insight about their recent post. Offer one headline idea plus link to your sample and ask if they like to see a quick outline and sign off. Send, repeat daily. Step 7 is to deliver and improve. When someone says yes, meet the deadline, follow their brief and accept feedback without ego. Each project becomes a new sample. Common beginner pitfalls to avoid is waiting months to feel ready, pitching 0 prospects, undercharging below 0.05 a word, and ignoring edits instead of learning. So the goal is to make a 30-day action plan. Week 1 will be niche plus simple article, week 2 will be portfolio plus 5 pitches a day, week 3 will be your first project, deliver and testimonial, and week 4 will be refine sample and raise rate 15%, pitch again. If you want my exact pitch templates and a full beginner roadmap, they're inside my Write Your Way to Freedom course, and it comes also with an ebook with it, about 100 pages. It's a big book. You have a link below, so hit like and subscribe for more practical writing guides, and I wish you a good luck and see you in some other video. Bye bye.